Hey there, I'm David, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up automated product-based discounts for your WooCommerce store using the Disco plugin. Disco is a super smart and easy to use discount plugin made specifically for WooCommerce. With Disco, you can create all kinds of discounts, from simple product deals to more advanced offers, things like product-based discounts, cart-based discounts, free shipping offers, bulk pricing, product bundles, and even BOGO deals. Yep, buy one, get one free with the various custom conditions. But today we're going to focus on just one type, product-based discounts, and I'll walk you through 5 real examples you can set up right away using Disco. Here's what we're going to build together. A store-wide 15% discount on all products, 10% off products priced over $100. 25% off items with less than 10 units in stock, 20% off products in the summer collection category, and 20% off items with the color attribute set to white. For each one, I'll show you how to set it up in the back end and then how it looks live on your store. All right, let's get started. First, go to your WordPress dashboard, then head over to plugins, add new. In the search bar, type Disco Dynamic Discount Plugin for WooCommerce. Click Install, then Activate. Once that's done, you'll find Disco right in your WooCommerce menu. Now we're all set. Let's create our first discount. All right, let's start by creating a store-wide promotion, 15% off all products. First, click on Create a Discount. Let's give this campaign a name. I'll call it 15% off for all products. Yeah, you can name it whatever helps you stay organized. Now under discount intent, choose product. This tells Disco we're applying the discount directly at the product level. Next up, we want this campaign to apply to all products in our store. But if you're running a more targeted sale, you can choose few products and select only the ones you want to include. Since we want this discount available to everyone, we'll leave the user limit field blank. That makes it unlimited by default. Super handy. Let's move on to the valid date. You can set the start and end date for your campaign here. Perfect for weekend promos, flash sales, or seasonal deals. Now it's time to choose the discount type. We'll go with percentage and then enter 15 as the discount value. Now scroll down to the conditions section. For this campaign, we don't need any special conditions, so we'll just skip this part. That's it. Our discount is fully set up. Go ahead and click Save and Exit. And there it is. Our campaign is now live. Let's jump over to the storefront and you'll see that the 15% discount is applied to all products automatically. Now, just for fun, let's disable the campaign real quick and refresh the store. You'll see the prices go back to normal, no discount applied. And now let's enable the campaign again, and we're back to 15% off across the board. And just like that, we've successfully set up a store-wide 15% off promotion using the Disco plugin. Pretty smooth, right? All right, let's move on to our next example, 10% off products that are priced over $100. Start by clicking on Create a Discount. For this one, let's name the campaign something like 10% off over $100, so it's easy to identify later. Again, set the discount intent to product since we're applying this at the product level. This time we'll apply it to all products, but don't worry, we'll use a condition to target only those over $100. For the discount type, choose percentage and set the value to 10. Now, this is the key part. Scroll down to the conditions section. Click Add Condition, then choose Product Price from the dropdown. Set the condition to greater than or equal and enter 100 in the value field. That's it. This tells Disco to apply the 10% discount only to products that cost more than $100. When you're done, click Save and Exit. Let's head over to the front end and take a look. As you can see, products priced above $100 now show the 10% discount with the updated price and sale badge. And products under $100, no discount, just as we set it. This is a great way to encourage higher value purchases while keeping your smaller items at full price. Nice and easy, right? Let's move on to the next example. 25% off items that have less than 10 units in stock. This is a great way to clear out low inventory items before they run out, or to create urgency with shoppers. Start by clicking on Create a Discount. We'll name this one something like 25% off low stock items. Easy and descriptive. Set the discount intent to product, just like before. Again, we'll apply it to all products and then narrow it down using a condition. For the discount type, choose percentage and set the value to 25. Now scroll down to the conditions section. Click on Add Condition, and this time choose Stock Quantity from the dropdown. Set the rule to less than, and enter 10 as the value. This tells Disco to apply the discount only if a product's stock is below 10 units. Once everything's set, click Save and Exit. Now let's check it out on the storefront. You'll notice that any product with fewer than 10 items in stock now shows a 25% discount with updated pricing and a sale badge. Products with 10 or more in stock stay at full price, just as we expected. This is an awesome strategy for turning almost out of stock items into quick sales. All right, let's keep going. Our next example is all about targeting categories. Now let's set up a discount that applies only to a specific category. In this case, the summer collection. This is perfect for seasonal promotions or highlighting a specific product line you want to push. Go ahead and click on Create a Discount. For the campaign name, let's call it $20 off summer collection. Nice and clear. Set the discount intent to product, just like before. We'll apply this to all products and then use a condition to narrow it down by category. Now set the discount type to fixed and enter 20 as the value. This means each product in the summer collection will get $20 off no matter what its price is. Next, scroll down to the conditions section and click Add Condition. From the drop-down menu, choose product category, then just select Summer Collection from the list. Once that's done, click Save and Exit. Let's take a look on the front end. You'll see that products in the summer collection now show $20 off with the adjusted pricing and sale badge right on the product page. And of course, everything outside that category stays at full price. This is a great strategy for category-specific promotions, limited time deals, or even launching a new seasonal collection. All right, we've made it to our final example. This time, we're going to set up a discount based on a product attribute. In this case, we want to offer 20% off any product where the color attribute is set to white. This is super handy if you want to run a promo on specific colors, sizes, or other custom product attributes. Let's start by clicking on Create a Discount. We'll name this one 20% off white color products so it's easy to find later. Set the discount intent to product just like we've done before. Apply it to all products, and then we'll use a condition to target the color attribute. For the discount type, choose percentage and enter 20 as the value. Now scroll down to the condition section and click Add Condition. In the dropdown, choose product attribute, then set the attribute to color and type white as the value. This tells Disco to apply the 20% discount only to products where the color is marked as white in your product settings. Once you've got that set, click Save and Exit. Now let's check it on the front end. You'll see the 20% discount applied to all white colored products. Just as we set it. And of course, products with other colors like red, black, or blue stay at regular price. This is a great tactic for running color-themed promotions or clearing out specific product variants. And just like that, you've now seen how to use Disco to run different product-based discount campaigns, all without touching a line of code. And that's it. You've now seen how easy it is to create powerful product-based discount campaigns using the Disco plugin for WooCommerce. Whether you're running store-wide promotions, targeting specific categories, or creating personalized deals using product attributes, Disco makes it simple, flexible, and code-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss future tutorials. And if you have any questions about Disco or WooCommerce discounts in general, just drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.